my name is Logan Martin, and today I'll be presenting Nave. Nave is located in the Milky Way and is about 1,200 light years away from Earth. It would take about 1.87 million years to reach Nave with the Parker Solar Probe system. The name of the star that orbits my planet is called the Typhoon. Now, the size of my planet is about 14,000 kilometers long, which is about slightly larger than Earth. Compared to Earth, it would take about 288 days just to do a full orbit. Now, the planet's orbital eccentricity is about 0.03, making it more circular. Compared to Earth, it would take about 34 hours just to do a full rotate on its axis, leading to both a slower night and day. Lastly, the planet would have two moons, which would be Astra and Nix. Moving on to landforms. Nave would have very tall and towering basalt mountains. It would have silica deserts with wind-sculpted dunes, and then you would have cryovolcanoes. Now, the tectonics on Nave would be very slow, as the mantle is very cold, and there wouldn't be a lot of heat around in the core. Now, Nave's tectonic plate activity is affecting my environment due to more violent earthquakes occurring, not as frequent, but my mountains would be forming near the plate boundaries, causing them to shift. Now, the core of my planet would be made from molten iron, nickel, and traces of sulfur. My mantle would be silicate rocks with some magnesium, and the crust would be basalt and granite veins. The atmosphere would be about 1.5 times greater than on Earth just because of how cold it is on my planet and how hard it is to breathe. Now, the elements of my planet would be carbon due to the many diamond deposits in the ground, iron due to the planet's magnetic field, silicon because of Nave's crust, and then you would find some gold little crustaceans in the Earth, just in Nave, sorry, in riverbanks. Now, the water would be much saltier compared to Earth, so it would have very small and tiny riverbanks. The moon will affect the tides by causing them to be up to 10 meters tall right here. Now, I would have three animals on my Nave. It would be the Mazodon, which can be up to 40 feet in length. We would have the breeze right here. And lastly, we would have phantoms. Now, the climate of my planet is very cold, so it consists of crystalline trees, which would be made of glass-like or quartz, and made of snowy and grainy crystal ores. The climate of my planet is very cold and hard to see at times. From cold temperatures and chilly nights, it is hard to live in this planet, as you can see right here. Now, the temperature would and weather would range from about -20 to 45 Celsius, meaning the planet would be very cold and has a bluish color to it. The weather would have either major dust storms or snow-like storms from the snow's rotation. And yes, this planet will have seasons, having much longer winters and colder days since the axial tilt is at a 10-degree angle, causing an extended orbit. Thank you.